So I've had a drone for a while, and there's one thing that I haven't been quite brave enough yet, and that's to fly over water. So I've got my DJI Mini 4K here, and I'm about to fly over this. So am I going to be brave enough? Let's find out. So I'm almost ready. I've got the DJI 4K ready to fly, just waiting to connect the satellites, and I've got my controller with my iPhone 17 Pro on here, so let's go. So as you can tell from the title of this video, everything didn't go completely to plan. So until the inevitable does happen, let's see some of the shots that I actually did manage to take.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
And when you're having fun, sometimes things happen like this. And for full disclosure, the Mini 4K is actually fine, but I'll show you closer in a bit. Now I don't quite know what happened exactly. I think a bird might have hit it. There's a split second before it does actually go down where there's this like cloud that comes at the top of the screen. So I'm guessing something may have hit it, but I was actually just looking at the screen, so I wasn't actually looking at the drone itself, but it wasn't too far away. But from reviewing the footage, it sort of looks like something might have hit it. But if you know, then just let me know in the comments. But thankfully I did find it, and I managed to use the DJI Fly app, which has a mapping system and shows me exactly via a find my drone sort of element into it, and I was able to find the Mini 4K perfectly. And thankfully it guided me exactly to its position. It's another day of flying with the drone. Can you see that? that is the DJI Neo 2 that is following me, and it's been following me for a while. I don't know why I can't actually shake it off either. So I've just had a very unsuccessful trip of trying to fly the DJI Mini 4K over some water. If I'm showing you the footage here, then I've actually done some flying footage over the water, but for some reason the battery died really quickly. I'm not really sure why, because it is a little bit windy, but I'm using the Neo 2 in exactly the same conditions, and while it is moving around, as you can see there, it's actually not too bad. But for some reason the Mini 4K hit the ground with a thud, and you can see there it is actually okay. I've just priced it back together, but I heard a massive thud as the DJI Mini 4K smacked into the ground. So if I've got that footage, I'll show it. Filling me with confidence about flying over water, I don't know, because this one just landed with a thud really quickly. But will I try water again? Definitely, because it was really fun, and some of the shots that I've got are really good. So let's keep going. This is probably an experiment in just seeing how long the battery lasts on the DJI Neo 2. I have actually got 3 other spare batteries, but I just thought I'd come out and do this. So we are controlling it via my phone, even though it's but let's go this way. Right, we're going to finish the video there because the park's getting a little bit crowded now. So as you can see from the end of that little sequence there, I was a little bit sort of nervy about what had actually happened, because the Mini 4K was, this part here had actually prized apart from itself. So in the video you do see me squeezing that part together, and at the bottom on the Mini 4K has got quite a few grass stains, and on one of the legs itself there is now a crack on it. So just trying to remember where that is. Oh yeah, right there. I don't know whether you can see it, but right there is a crack where it landed on the ground. So I just have to be a bit careful of that in the future. But apart from that, the cameras are fine, everything like that. The Mini 4K is good, and obviously the old dependable Neo 2 was fine as usual. But it hasn't put me off flying over water. I just need to find out what exactly happened, but I do think it might have been because a bird struck it or something like that. So I do need to be careful of that in future, particularly if there is nesting birds around, and I think it is that time of the season. But it definitely hasn't put me off flying this over water again, just because of those amazing shots in such a small park that I was able to get. And it does intrigue me about just taking this further outfield to explore different places. It doesn't have to be parks with water, it could be city buildings and things like that, obviously within the regulations and everything like that. But I did really like the pictures that I got. So has it put me off flying over water again? No, it hasn't. And when will I be doing it again? I'm not quite sure. But stay tuned to the channel. I'm sure you'll probably see some more footage that I'll sneak into videos in the future. So if you like this video, press that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this, and with this and with the DJI Neo 2 as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.